Hi, this is Monique. Welcome to my channel. On this channel, I talk about how to YouTube, so how to do things on YouTube, and I publish videos every other day. So if you like this channel, don't forget to subscribe at the bottom there and watch some of my videos. So in this video, I'm going to talk to you about how to use dark theme or dark mode on YouTube. So basically, in my job, I look at a computer screen for many hours during the day, and so it strains your eyes to look at something super bright all the time. So I like to use dark theme on YouTube to be able to look at videos and things like that and not strain my eyes too much. Okay, so keep watching. So what you want to do is you want to go over to the icon that's your YouTube icon or your avatar, and it's on the top right hand corner of the screen. So if you go to it, you can ghost over it. I'm going to go to my YouTube channel, and then I'm going to click on it, and then you want to go to Appearance and Theme. Click on that, and it should give you three options. It should give you a light theme, the device theme, and then a dark theme. So if you click on dark theme, then it changes the look of your channel and of how you see YouTube, which I find very appealing. Okay, and so it's as easy as that. So this video has been about how to change the theme on your YouTube page. So change it from light theme to dark theme. So if you like this video, don't forget to please subscribe and watch a few more of my videos. Thanks.